In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a cabin filter on a Nissan NV2500. It is located behind the right side of the dashboard. Your cabin filter is located behind the glove box. So you want to open your glove box door. On both sides of your glove box door, you're going to have two tabs, one on each side. You need to pull your glove box in. You can use a trim tool like that and unlatch the tab. Do the same on the other side. Once those two tabs are unlatched, swing your glove box door down and unlatch it. Put it off to the side. Now you need to remove this section here. It's held on by a bunch of Phillips screws. There's one here at the top left. Two in the middle. One just to the right of that. Right below that, there's one on the bottom. Just to the left of that. Just to the left of that one, there's another one. Once you have all your screws removed, grab from the bottom, pull straight out towards you. Put that panel off to the side. Behind here is your cabin filter. This is the cover. You have two tabs, one on each side. You want to push those in and pull your cover out. Once your cover is out, remove your filter. Do that by just pulling straight towards you and out. And that's your cabin filter. With the filter removed, this is a good time to clean any debris. Before you install your cabin filter, you're going to have an arrow. This arrow is pointing up. You want to point the arrow up away from your blower motor. Our blower motor is down here, so the arrow goes up. Slide your cabin filter all the way in. Install your cover. And listen for the two clicks. Before you reinstall your panel has two clips on the right hand side. Those two clips go into these two holes. So if you line up those two clips and push straight forward, it'll clip in. Now you install all your screws. Now you can tighten all your screws. On the bottom of your glove box door, you're going to have these two cutouts. These two cutouts get put into these two places first and get locked in. Swing your glove box up. Make sure these two tabs are now locked in, and you're done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.